TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, we have been within this move, and now we're getting here. We want to see whether we can get the trade set up or not. But before we look for buying, I mean, we talk about the trade, we want to see, is there any possibility we put this one to each other as a one move tree to break this spot, this top, then we get the this move in relative to this. If this happen, maybe I don't think so we can get the price to drop and break this low. Maybe we get the bigger correction. Okay, that's why before we talk about the buying, any breakout of this, if you see the price is not moving, maybe we can expect for bigger correction. Even based on forward chart later, I will show. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. Okay, and what we want to get the correction here, the price break this top and continue. The first option is if the price we get the bigger correction here, whether the price, that means we get one more drop, whether the price drop from here or even break the top and drop, it give us a flat, any buy from there we will take it, because we really have opportunity to get the trade set up within this range, or at that time we can have entry above this, but we need to get the one more drop. Okay, that's why right now I mentioned maybe we put this one and the price can break the top, even move a bit higher, then drop, because at that time we will have a bigger correction, better confirmation for the continuation. Okay, the first option, whether the price drop from here or even break the top, drop, give us a flat, then we look for buy within from this range, as I show here, short move, typical way, or having a trade above this. But how about if this is the only correction and this is the start of the up move? How we can trade it if we consider this is a breakout? Okay, right now the only way is having a trade above this. And what we want a price tag and continue. But how about if the tag is not moving? We should take out the trade, because again I mentioned maybe the price can tag the top, even a bit move higher and drop. Okay, and if we move to lower time frame, 15 minutes. All right, and as we mentioned, how about if this is the only correction and this is the breakout? Okay, right now we should, the only way if you want to trade this, having entry above this, unless this one become more deeper. As long as it's above this low and haven't broke this low, then from there maybe we can change our entry to above this. But as we can see, the gap is not different. That's why having here is more safer for us. Okay, now this is how we're looking for buying. And the best thing is if we get more complex correction before we look for buying. And even if we move to forward chart, you can see we have been within this move. This one become more complex. We will be here within for longer time within the correction. The possibility of the next move to break this top is higher, maybe similar to what we have here. Okay, and how about if I move to daily chart? Okay, we don't have anything here. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. We're looking for buy. All it depends what type of the trade setup we can get from here. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or changes, even a trade setup that can conform, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.